हेलो एवरीवन, आज के वीडियो में स्टडी करते हैं फजन्स रूल। लेकिन उससे पहले कुछ बेसिक टर्म्स को समझते हैं। कंसीडर स्मॉल साइज केटाइन एंड लार्ज साइज एनाइन। केटाइन अट्रैक्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ एनाइन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक क्लाउड ऑफ एनाइन गेट डिफॉर्म आर डिस्टॉर्टेड बिकॉज केटाइन अट्रैक्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ एनाइन, सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिc cloud of anion tilt toward the cation and one side of anion get the partial negative charge due to excess of electron on that side and other side of anion get partial positive charge, so the anion is polarized due to attraction of the cation। उम्मीद करता हूँ यहाँ तक आपको समझ आ गया होगा। नेक्स्ट, पोलराइजिंग पावर टर्म यूज्ड फॉर cation mean pulling ability of cation mean the ability of cation to polarize nearby anion. If cation strongly pull the electrons of anion mean it has high polarizing power. Polarizability term used for anion mean deforming ability of anion mean the ability of anion to get deformed by the cation. If electronic cloud of anion highly experience the attraction of cation mean it is highly deformed and has high polarizability. Polarization term used for electronic cloud. Polarization term mean the distortion of electronic cloud of anion towards cation. Now here a question arises, why we consider small size cation and large size anion? So the answer is small size cation easily pull the electrons of anion, so this has high polarizing power and covalent character. Look at the example in lithium and sodium. Lithium has smaller size, so lithium has high covalent character than sodium. Large size anion highly experience the attraction of cation, so this is easily deformed and has high polarizability and covalent character. Look at the example in between fluorine and chlorine. Chlorine has larger size, so chlorine has high covalent character. If two atoms carry different charge, what will happen? More positive charge cation strongly pull the electrons of anion, so this has high polarizing power and covalent character. Look at the example in between sodium and magnesium. Magnesium has high charge, so magnesium has high covalent character than sodium. More charge on anion mean electron of anion highly experience the attraction of cation, so this is easily deformed and has high polarizability and covalent character. Look at the example in between chlorine and oxygen. Oxygen has more charge, so this has high covalent character than chlorine. One more point, if quench metals copper, silver, gold or zinc family, zinc, cadmium, mercury present in ionic bond has high covalent character. Look at the example in between sodium chloride and copper chloride. Copper is quench metal, so copper chloride has high covalent character. In between potassium and silver, silver is quench metal, so silver has high कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर देन पोटाशियम। जो अभी तक हमने स्टडी किया है उसे एक लाइन में समराइज करते हैं। मोर चार्ज ऑफ केटाइन एंड एनाइन मीन मोर कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर। लार्ज साइज एनाइन मीन मोर कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर। स्मॉल साइज केटाइन मीन मोर कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर। आयोनिक कैरेक्टर इज इनवर्स ऑफ कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर। फजन्स रूल शो द अमाउंट ऑफ कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर इन आयोनिक बॉन्ड ड्यू टू पोलराइजेशन ऑफ आयन मीन इन टू ionic compound which one has high covalent character due to polarization. Fajans rule doesn't show the percentage of covalent character or ionic character. In ionic bond, cation pull the electron of anion, so anion is polarized. It seems like electrons are shared between cation and anion. Sharing of electron is a covalent property, so we can say partial covalent bond exists in ionic bond. यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट क्लियर होता है, नो बॉन्ड इज 100% आयोनिक और 100% कोवलेंट। फजन्स रूल इज अ क्वालिटेटिव लॉ मीन इन बिटवीन टू आयोनिक कंपाउंड्स फजन्स रूल शो विच वन हैज मोर कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर। फजन्स रूल डजंट शो द परसेंटेज ऑफ कोवलेंट कैरेक्टर और आयोनिक कैरेक्टर। नेक्स्ट कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करते हैं इन in these ionic compounds, anionic part which is chloride is same. Look at the charge of cation. More positive charge mean more covalent character. Aluminium has more positive charge, so aluminium chloride has more covalent character than other two. Next, in these ionic compounds, anionic part which is chloride is same and the charge on cation is also same. Look at the size of cation. Small size cation mean more covalent character. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium belong to group 2a. Down the group size increases. Beryllium has smaller size, so beryllium chloride has more covalent character than other two. Next, in these ionic compounds, cationic part which is sodium is same and the charge on anion is also same. Now look at the size of anion. Large size anion has more covalent character. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine belong to group 7a. Down the group size increases. Iodine has larger size, so sodium iodide has more covalent character than other two. One more trick: high covalent character mean the ionic bond has high covalent character and less ionic character. With high covalent character, solubility of ionic compound decreases, melting and boiling point decreases, color imparting ability increases, because with high covalent character, covalent compound absorb energy and electron emit energy in visible spectrum and show color. Now look at a question which will have a high melting point: sodium chloride or copper chloride. Copper is a quench metal, so copper chloride has high covalent character. High covalent character, low melting point, so sodium chloride has high melting point. Next, which one is more soluble: ferrous hydroxide or ferric hydroxide? In ferrous hydroxide, Fe contain +2 charge, and in ferric hydroxide, Fe contain +3 charge. More charge mean more covalent character, so ferric hydroxide has more covalent character. More covalent character, less solubility, so ferrous hydroxide is more soluble. Next, which one has darkest color among silver fluoride, silver chloride and silver bromide? In these ionic compounds, cationic part which is silver is same and the charge on anion is same. Now look at the size of anion. Bromine has larger size, so silver bromide has high covalent character. High covalent character mean high color imparting ability, so silver bromide has a darkest color. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe bell icon and write your questions in the comment section.